How to show sale on Shopify. So first here, as you can see, my product here is only showing a price, one price here, and you don't really know if it's on sale or not, right? So what you can do is just go here on the back end of your Shopify account, and then you can just click on products here, and then you can just click on that product that you want to add a sale to. So just click on it, open it, then scroll down here, and you can see the price here. So you can just click on compare at here, and then here you can just type in the price before. So for example, I'm going to change this to 50. Let's say I'm selling it at 50, and then the price before was, let's say, 80. And then here, as for the unit price, you can just set that up on your own. And then, for example, here, I just set this up. You can just click on save here, and I'll show you what would happen. So let's refresh this. As you can see, this is my price before, and then after my changes, as you can see now, you can see the sale here. All right, and so that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.